Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to set time limit for your app on iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would go to Settings, click on Settings. Then you will scroll down to find Screen Time. Click on Screen Time. Then you would go to App Limits. Here, you can add limit for the app. So let's say I want to set the limit for one of the social app. I can click on social and then I can click on, let's say, Facebook. Then I would hit next. Then I can set the amount of time that I will be using this app every day. Let's say I want to use this app for only an hour every day. I will hit add. And after an hour using, Facebook will not allowing me to use the app anymore. So if you want to turn off the app limits, you can swipe left to delete and hit delete limit. And that is how you can add the app limits or delete the app limits for your app on iPhone. Thank you.